Hey guys, so I made $50 with Earnably in 3 days, and I'm going to share with you how I did. Let me first show you this though. They blocked me, guys. I'm blocked. Okay, I'm going to tell you guys. I'm going to tell you guys how I made the $50 in like about 2 days, because I know that's what you came for. And then I'll get into why they blocked me and how you can avoid it. So, the first thing you want to do is create your profile. The main thing, your surveys. That's what it's called. When you go to the surveys on the menu, go to your surveys. Do not go do any of the other surveys because they're a waste of your time. Your surveys pays you 70 cents per survey, and their surveys can be short, they can be medium, sometimes they're super long, but your surveys is what you want to be doing if you're on Earnably. Anything else is a waste of your time. Like I tried downloading, I tried doing other things. It's a waste of your time. Just go to your surveys every time you log in, and it's guaranteed 70 cents each survey. You don't want to be doing any other company surveys because they're like 30 cents, 25 cents is not worth it. And sometimes their surveys are longer than your surveys. And it's like, at least you can get guaranteed money on each survey. So you can kind of be like, okay, I'm gonna do this many surveys, I'll make this much money. So that's how I did it. And the only thing I don't like about Earnably, they don't have an app, guys, but they do have PayPal. So, I mean, it's worth it. You just type in Earnably from your web browser on your phone, and you can use it like that too. Or you can do it from your laptop or PC. I didn't have any problems on my cell phone. I have an iPhone. Okay, how did I get blocked? Another thing. When you're doing your surveys, be honest, because it's a router and it directs you to different sites. And those sites may or may not block you if they feel like you're lying or if it just doesn't match up with other things that you've been doing. So that's one thing. And then another thing, just be honest when you do your survey profile and when you do your profile for Earnably, because they do rate you, and you'll see the score when you go to your surveys, your score, like, and every time you do like good, you get like a 0.1, 0.2, whatever. But if they feel like you're lying or you're trying to just rush through the survey, they will bring you down a couple points. And someone was saying on Reddit, another thing, guys, too, like, check out Bear Money on Reddit if you haven't already, and it has like a whole bunch of stuff. But another thing is, if your score gets so low, they will ban you from your surveys, and you don't want to get banned from your surveys, because that is like one of the places to be for different websites is your surveys. So whatever you do, just try to be honest. Just be honest. Even when it's down to like how many kids you have, your zip code, just be honest, because then you'll save a lot of time on doing surveys you don't want to do anyways, or that surveys are irrelevant to you, and then you have to lie, and it's like, it's hard to keep up with your lies, guys. It's really hard. Trust me, I know. Another thing, okay, so how I got banned. I got banned because, okay, I did the videos and I kind of got carried away. Like, I made about 30 something, 40 something dollars, like, through the surveys. And then I wanted to get greedy, so I started playing videos on like this device, that device. And the thing is, you can have up to, I think, 2 or 3 devices with one browser open. One browser. But I guess I messed up because I had my laptop running and it had a couple browsers. And it was all going on different things. And they paid me. I made like $5 just from playing videos. Another $5 just from playing videos. But they have a bot on your surveys. So don't do that, guys. Like, don't do that. Like, just follow the rules and stick to your surveys. I'm not mad about being suspended, because I found another site already to make even more money from. So I'll get into that in my next video. But good luck, guys. Stay positive, stay focused, and ignore your Instagram. Delete your Instagram. Delete your Twitter. Don't be going on YouTube watching useless shit like this. Like, just go on the website and do what you gotta do. I told you already, your surveys is where it's at. Don't try to do fake signups. Don't try to do any of that stuff. Like, just stick to your surveys. If you're going to do that website. If you want to do something else, then hey, go do something else. But if you're using that, that's your best bet. So, ciao. Oh, and I can't leave a referral link because I'm banned. So, bye.